I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. Today I have a really quick video for you. Tulip released these $25 surprise boxes like in the flyer you see right here. So of course I ordered one and I just wanted to unbox it on camera for you to see. So here's the box. Let me open it and see what's inside. Okay, first we've got the plastic stuff. Ooh. So apparently there is $75 worth of product in here and I only paid $25, so that's an amazing deal, especially because I'm someone that uses Tulip product a lot. So let's see. Wow. Okay, the first thing I am pulling out is dimensional fabric paint in a glittery green. Definitely something I'll use. Good for like jean jackets maybe, or like tote bags. Again, we have dimensional fabric paint in the glittery blue. Dimensional fabric paint, why can't I say that? Dimensional fabric paint in glittery purple. Okay, the next thing we have metallics dimensional fabric paint. This is just like an orange in a different bottle. We've got some more green. Maybe I can make like a big tree. We've got matte dimensional fabric paint. Again, all this stuff is perfect for jean jacket DIYs. I'm definitely gonna do a few of those soon. Oh, and then we have Tulip soft matte fabric paint. All like different kind of textures. That'll be fun to play with. We have soft matte fabric paint in a neon red. We have got soft metallic. This is like a silvery. Ooh, this is a fun one. We've got a dazzling glitter brush on fabric paint. As you can see, they have tons of fabric paint here, so that's great. Some more dimensional glittery purple and like a different kind of purple. We've got soft matte fabric paint in whites. We've got slick dimensional fabric paint. I guess this is good for, you know, detailing because I think there's like a little pointy tip. So good for like maybe little daisies. We have glow in the dark fabric paint. That's cool. Again, I'm just thinking jean jackets. I'm thinking denim. That's what my mind is on for like really cool stuff. Then we have slick dimensional fabric paint. This is in a brown, and that's good because I plan on making a tree, so I'm gonna need brown. Then we have slick in black. This is actually a really great, I've used this before. I think I have some left over. I use this kind of paint for fake stained glass. I have a video on that if you want to check it out, but this is what I use for that. Then I've got some soft glitter fabric paint in a white. Soft matte in a blue. Soft matte in a leaf green. Again, they know I'm doing a tree. And then some soft matte in a black, which is good. I feel like I mostly use like black and white colors. Okay, and there's one more thing in the box here. Oh, this is something that I ordered. This didn't come with the bundle. So anyway, this is fabric spray paint. And the reason I got it is because on Tulip, you get free shipping over $30. And the mystery bundle was $25. So I just rounded up, got something for, you know, $5 so that it would be free shipping. And this is what I got. So yeah, that's the mystery bundle box. There is a lot of product in here. Totally, maybe even more than $75 worth. So I definitely got some great bang for my buck, which I love, of course. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more crafts. You can find me on Instagram at madcrafty, and I will see you next time. Bye.